Welcome to our channel. If you have a Union Bank rewards card and want to activate it while claiming your reward points, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your card benefits. Step 1. Visit the Union Bank website at unionbank.com or open the Union Bank mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have your new rewards card with you. Step 2. Log into your Union Bank online banking account using your customer ID and password. If you're not registered for online banking, click on Enroll and complete the registration process first. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section of your account. Find your Union Bank rewards card in the list of your accounts and select it to view details. Step 4. Look for the Activate Card option on the card details page. Click this button to begin the activation process for your new rewards card. Step 5. Enter the required verification information when prompted. This typically includes the 3-digit CVV code from the back of your card and possibly your card's expiration date. Step 6. Review the Union Bank Rewards Program terms and conditions if displayed. Then confirm your activation by clicking Submit or Activate Now. Step 7. After successful activation, navigate to the Union Bank Rewards portal. This may be accessible through your online banking account or via a separate rewards website link provided by Union Bank. Step 8. In the rewards portal, view your accumulated points balance and browse available redemption options. Select the rewards you want to claim, such as travel benefits, merchandise, cashback, or gift cards. Complete the redemption process to use your points, and your activated card will continue earning rewards on every eligible purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.